Grade 5, our next topic is reflex action. What is reflex action? Reflex action क्या होता है? Have you seen the picture? What happened here? When you suddenly touch the nail, what happened to you? You will quickly move away your feet from the nail. So which senses give you message? Before a less of a second, you will quickly move your feet back. How you will move your foot back? By the help of senses. By the help of senses. That action is called reflex action. What it is called? It is called reflex action. So these controlled by the spinal cord, because your muscles here attach with the spinal cord. So suddenly your muscles attached with the, how your muscles attach? Your muscles attach with the spinal cord, and it suddenly give message to the spinal cord, and your spinal cord, what it gives message, that move back. So that is called motor nerve. What is called? Motor nerve. Here I make, look at sensory nerve. Sensory nerves attached with the sense organ. How it is attached? It attached with our sense organ, like by ear, by hearing. You feel anything by your ear, so you will, what you will do, your sensory nerves give you message. And when you hear anything, when you smelt anything, when you taste anything, so it give message to the brain. Sensory nerves give message to the brain. It connected with the brain or spinal cord as well. But in sensory nerves, sense organs are attached. But in motor nerves, your muscles or glands are attached. Glands are present around our neck. So motor nerves attached with the muscles or gland, and here in our thigh, these muscles in our leg and thigh, our muscles nerves are attached. Our motor nerves are attached. Look at which nerves? Motor nerves are attached, and such kind of actions are called reflex action. What it is called? Reflex action. So make the more other examples of reflex action. Which examples come in your mind? As I give you example of fire, when by mistake, when you take the matchstick and you are playing, just by the playing, the fire will burn. So what happened? You will move away from fire quickly, suddenly you will do. So the muscles, the motor nerve will help you to move away from the fire. So that is called reflex action. When sudden action you will do by the anything, by harm of anything, so you will move your hand and feet back. So that sudden action is called reflex action. Without think about anything, you will do the action. Your muscles, your sensory nerve will tell you that move away from it. So you will quickly move away. That is called the reflex action.